In a small town, there was an old observatory on a hill. It had a big telescope that looked at the stars. People visited during the day, but at night, the observatory was quiet. Only one person stayed there after dark: Sam, the cleaner. Sam was a kind man with a shy smile. He cleaned the floors, dusted the telescope, and locked the doors. But when everyone left, Sam did something secret. He took out paints and brushes from his bag and drew on the walls. Not just any drawings, beautiful constellations. Stars, lines, and shapes glowed in the dark. Orion, Ursa Major, and Cassiopeia covered the walls. Sam loved the stars, and painting them made him happy. Every night, he added a new star or connected a line. He never told anyone. He was afraid people would be angry. The observatory was not his, and he was just a cleaner. But the walls were empty, and Sam wanted to make them beautiful. One night, a famous astronomer named Clara Lee came to the observatory. She was visiting to use the telescope for a big project. Clara was smart and loved stars, but she was always busy. She didn't notice the paintings at first. She worked late, looking at the sky, while Sam cleaned quietly. But one night, Clara stayed very late. She turned on a flashlight to find her notebook and saw something amazing. The walls were shining with stars. She gasped. "Who did this?" she whispered. The paintings were not perfect, but they were full of love. She followed the constellations with her light, smiling. The next day, Clara waited for Sam. When he arrived with his mop, she said, "Sam, did you paint the walls?" Sam's face turned red. He looked at the floor. "I'm sorry," he said. "I know I shouldn't. I'll clean them." "No," Clara said. "These are beautiful. Why do you hide them?" Sam was quiet. Then he said, "I love stars. But I'm just a cleaner. Nobody cares about my paintings." Clara shook her head. "You're wrong. These paintings can inspire people." Clara had an idea. She asked Sam to help her with a special event. "Let's show your art to the town," she said. Sam was scared, but Clara's smile gave him courage. They worked together. Clara told everyone about a star night at the observatory. Sam painted more constellations, and Clara helped him choose bright colors. On the night of the event, the town came to the observatory. Children, parents, and teachers filled the hill. When they walked inside, they saw Sam's paintings. The walls glowed under special lights. "Wow!" the children shouted. "It's like the sky." People clapped and took pictures. Sam stood in a corner, nervous but happy. Clara gave a speech. "These paintings are by Sam," she said. "He shows us that anyone can love the stars." The crowd cheered. A little girl ran to Sam and gave him a drawing of a star. "You're an artist," she said. Sam smiled, his eyes wet with tears. But there was a secret nobody knew. After the event, Clara talked to Sam alone. "Sam, Your paintings are special. You know so much about stars. How? Sam looked at the sky. Then he told her the truth. I wasn't always a cleaner, he said. I was an astronaut. Clara's eyes opened wide. An astronaut? She asked. Sam nodded. Many years ago, I trained to go to space. I loved it. But my wife got sick, and my daughter needed me. I left my job to take care of them. Now, I just clean and paint. Clara was quiet. Then she said, Sam, you gave up your dream for your family. That's brave. And now, your paintings are your new dream. They bring the stars to us. Sam smiled. For the first time in years, he felt proud. The town loved Sam's art. They asked him to teach children how to draw constellations. The observatory kept his paintings, and people came from far away to see them. Sam wasn't just a cleaner anymore. He was the star painter. Every night, Sam looked at the sky and painted. He thought about his family, his old dreams, and his new ones. The stars were always there, shining for him. And now, his paintings helped others see the stars, too.